In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the back of the card in your Apple Wallet in just 5 minutes. If you're new to the Wallet app, or if you've simply been using it without exploring all its features, you might not know that you can view detailed information about your cards beyond just the basics you see up front. Let's dive right in and look at how you can access these details. The first thing you need to do is open your Wallet app on your iPhone. It's pretty straightforward. Just locate the Wallet app icon on your home screen or in your app library and give it a tap. Once the app is open, you'll see a collection of your debit cards, credit cards, and any other passes you may have added to your digital wallet. Next, you'll want to select the card or pass you want to learn more about. Simply scroll through your list of cards and give a tap on the one you're interested in. This could be a credit card you frequently use, a loyalty card from your favorite store, or even a boarding pass if you're all set for travel. Once you tap on the card, it will enlarge on your screen, displaying the front view, which includes basic details like the card name and recent transaction previews. Now, to access the back of the card information, pay attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a tiny icon represented by 3 dots. Go ahead and tap this icon. Tapping it opens up a menu that displays the card's more in-depth information. This is the back of the card view. In this view, you'll find a variety of settings and information. You can see transaction history, specific details about your card, such as notifications, preferences, device account numbers, and additional pass information. It's like peeking behind the curtain and seeing everything the card has to offer. This information can be quite useful for managing your finances and staying on top of your transactions. Moreover, from this screen you also have the ability to manage other card settings or even remove the card from your wallet entirely if needed. For example, if you no longer want a particular card saved, or if you've lost a card and wish to remove it from your device, this is where you can safely do so. Exploring these options can help ensure you're using your cards effectively and securely. And there you have it, you now know how to access the back of your card in Apple Wallet, allowing you to explore a more detailed view of your card information. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to dive into those settings to make the most out of your digital wallet experience.